Clothing labels often omit written care instructions. Instead, utilize pictograms to convey care guidelines. These symbols represent a standardized, visual language that indicates how to properly clean and maintain textile items. These clothing care symbols fall into 5 primary categories: washing, drying, ironing, bleaching, and dry cleaning. The care symbols that relate to washing are represented by a stylized wash tub. These pictograms indicate both the method and maximum temperature at which an item may be laundered. A plain wash tub denotes the use of a washing machine on a normal cycle. A single line beneath the tub indicates a permanent press cycle. A double line signifies a very mild or delicate cycle should be used. A hand reaching into the tub represents hand washing. When a line is added underneath the tub, the water used should be of an ambient temperature. When an X is overlaid atop the wash tub, that means the item should not be washed. The temperature at which a textile should be laundered may be shown in numeric Celsius values or via a system of dots. 1 dot equals 30 degrees, 2 dots 40 degrees, 3 dots 50 degrees, 4 dots 60 degrees, 5 dots 70 degrees, and 6 dots 95 degrees. Symbols relating to the proper method of drying textiles will be represented with a square. A circle inside a square signifies that an item can be tumble dried. Dots inside of the circle will indicate the heat setting that should be used. 1 dot for low heat, 2 dots for medium heat, and 3 dots for high heat. When a single line is added underneath the square, a permanent press cycle should be used. And a double line signifies that a delicate cycle should be used. A circle inside of a square overlaid by an X indicates that an item should not be tumble dried. Additionally, symbols within a square denote whether an item should be dried on a line or laid flat to dry. A horizontal line means an item should be laid flat to dry. A vertical line indicates that an item should be line dried. A curved line at the top of the square denotes hanging to dry. A diagonal line or lines in the top left corner of the square signifies that an item should be dried in the shade. A symbol showing a twisted piece of fabric overlaid by an X means the item should not be wrung out. The symbol for ironing is the iron pictogram. A plain iron means that an item is suitable to be ironed. Some garments may have differing heat tolerances. The maximum temperature will be indicated by dots inside the iron. 1 dot equals a maximum temperature of 120 degrees Celsius. 2 dots, 160. 3 dots, 210 degrees. An iron pictogram with diagonal lines underneath and an X overlaying those lines means that steam should not be used. And a pictogram of an iron with an X overlaid the whole symbol indicates that a garment should not be ironed. The use or non-use of bleach will be indicated by a triangle. A plain triangle means that any type of bleach is permitted, while a triangle with diagonal lines or marked CL overlaid by an X denotes the use of oxygen-based bleach only. A triangle overlaid with an X indicates that bleach should not be used at all. Whether or not a textile can be or should be dry cleaned will be represented by a circle. A plain circle indicates that the item is dry clean only. Circles with a letter inside specify the type of solvent professional dry cleaners should use. A circle overlaid by an X means the item should not be dry cleaned. Understanding these standardized care symbols is essential for preserving the quality, fit, and longevity of a garment. For best results, always refer to the care label before washing, drying, ironing, or treating any clothing item.